I'm jumping on the seat of the chair just to show you how stable, how durable the chair can be. This thing is a beast. It's like the tank of lift chairs. So you can see that it does come with a seatbelt. In most cases, you're never going to use the seatbelt. I am sitting on the chair now. I'm about 5'8". I weigh about 170 pounds. I'm talking to some individuals while I'm recording this to explain how the chair works. You can see, it's just a fun time in the physical therapy clinic. The chair moves extremely slowly, but that is an asset. A lot of times when somebody has fallen or they're stuck on the ground, they're anxious, they're nervous, people are upset. So having a chair that moves too quickly just puts fuel on the fire. This allows us to slowly, calmly lift the person from the ground. Now, I've recorded a bunch of other videos showing how I use this chair to actually lower patients to the ground when we're working on ground mobility or we're working on fall recovery. But in most practical situations, a person's going to buy this in order to use it to lift the person from the floor. Probably the most common question I get is, well, what happens if you fall and the chair's in the other room? You're right, the chair is not going to save everyone. But the chair is primarily designed to either help a spouse, help a person that's down. So, for example, a husband and wife are living in the same house. The husband falls. The wife can't get him up. It's a non-emergency call. They don't want to call paramedics. They don't want to call their adult children. So usually the wife can drag the chair over to the husband, or the husband can drag the chair over to the wife. The chair goes up to approximately 22 inches in height. The chair weighs 48 pounds, which is heavy, but it needs to be that heavy in order to support a 440-pound person. You can see here the legs disassemble with no tools. And for storage, you can just latch the seatbelt and the bottom seat will fold up and you can just put it in a closet. There are wheels on the bottom to help roll. In the right household, this is a great device for peace of mind, safety, security, and of course, independence.